So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest job opportunities and career tips. So are you ready to turn your data skills into impact at one of the world's biggest retail giants? So today we have diving into deep into an exciting data analysis opportunity at Target India in Bengaluru. So from SQL to storytelling with data, if this sounds like your thing, stick around because we have got all the juicy details. So now let's dive into the job details. So whether you are looking to work with cutting edge analytics tools, solving business challenges, or growing with a growing with kind of Fortune 50 company, then this might just be the role you have been waiting for. So Target Tech is hiring data analytics for its merged data analytics team in Bengaluru in India. This role sits at the intersection of data, business, and retail strategy. So, as a data analyst here, you won't just crunch numbers. You'll be supporting business teams by delivering insights, building dashboards, and applying analytical models to real-world detail decisions. So now let's dive into the wonderful, responsibility sections for this role. So as you can see, they have mentioned the roles and responsibilities as a data analyst or retail into retail at Target. So as a data analyst at Target, your roles and responsibility will be like working with structured or unstructured data source like Teradata SDFS, using tools like SQL, Tableau, Python, and R, building dashboards and visualizations, applying statistical techniques, regression time series, classifications, etc. It also collaborate with across business functions and technical teams, along with having collaborating with the cross-functional team and completing your day-to-day activities like storytelling, building dashboards for the stakeholders, and all that stuff. So these are the kind of roles and responsibilities require which is necessary for this wonderful for this role. And let's jump to the qualification required for this role. So as you can see, they have mentioned everything you need to know for qualifications. So for being eligible for this role, you must have around 2 to 6 years of experience. Total years experience 1 to 3 years in relevant. So in data analyst, you must have minimum 1 year of experience to being eligible at this position. So minimum 1 year for as data analyst, and overall if you have a general 2 to 6 years of experience, then also fine. And bachelor degree in computer science or related field, or master degree in statistics, math, or related field is applicable, along with SQL or BI tools knowledge like Tableau, Power BI, Qlik, etc. Along with the knowledge of programming languages like Python or R, and exposure to version controls like Git, along with the Agile, which is again kind of project management tool. You should also have the excellent problem solving skills and very good communication skill as well, both written and verbal. So these are some of the skills they are expecting one to have before joining the company. And now let's understand why one should join Target. I mean, what's the benefits of joining Target? So first of all, you will get very good health benefits, wellness program, support, and financial benefits as well, along with learning support, uh, broadband reimbursements and all that stuff that you'll be getting, along with the culture of care, inclusivity, collaboration, growth mindsets. So at Target, you are not just another analyst; you are a part of a diverse team that values connections, inclusivity, and drive uh, you know drive the power inside you, drive the motivation inside you to do the to take the ownership of your project. So that's the reason one should opt for joining these wonderful organizations. So yeah, that's it for this. And are you ready to take care of your career, data career especially, with purpose? Then apply today. Head over to the link in description. I have mentioned direct link for this particular job, and apply as soon as possible. And make sure your resume highlights your experience in SQL, data visualization, and business problem solving. And like this video, if you found it helpful, drop your questions in the comment sections. If you have any, or if you need any resume tips or any other help, do comment below. We'll be more than happy to help you. And subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates, because they are bringing 2 to 3 jobs out there daily on this particular YouTube channel.